Best web series to watch during this shutdown. Panchayat. Panchayat is a comedy drama web series which depicts the story of an engineering student who lacks a good job. It has Jitendra Kumar, Raghuveer Yadav, Neena Gupta, and it is available on Amazon Prime Videos and has IMDb rating of 9.2 out of 10. Kota Factory. This is the first black and white web series of India available on TVF Play app and YouTube. It is rated 9.1 on IMDb. This is undoubtedly one of the best web series made in India and everybody should watch it. Special OPS. Special OPS is an action thriller directed by none other than Neeraj Pandey. This thriller has an ensemble cast of KK Menon, Karan Thakkar, Vinay Pathak, Gautami Kapoor and many more talented actors. This thrilling web series is available at Hotstar and it has a rating of 8.7 at IMDb. Asur, welcome to your dark side. This crime thriller revolves around a serial killer. The serial killings are related to Indian mythology. It stars Arshad Varsi, Barun Sobti, Riddhi Dogra, Anupriya Goenka and many more. It has IMDb rating of 8.7 and the spine-chilling series is available on Voot. Mentalhood. Indian Hindi drama web series starring Karishma Kapoor is available on ZEE5 and All Balaji. It has 8.7 rating on IMDb. The Family Man. One of the most edgy action thriller web series is The Family Man, which was released on Amazon Prime and has a rating of 8.6 on IMDb. If you have not watched these web series yet, do watch the series starring Manoj Bajpayee, Priya Mani, Darshan Kumar, Sharat Kelkar. Stage of Siege 26/11. This is a ZEE5 original series and has a rating of 8.5 on IMDb. It stars Vivek Dahiya, Arjun Bijlani, Arjun Bavja and many more. Apaharan. This thrilling series is available on Alt Balaji and it has a rating of 8.4 on IMDb. Code M. This action thriller web series starring Jennifer Wingate is available on ZEE5 and All Balaji and it has a rating of 8.4 on IMDb. Breathe. This thrilling web series is available on Amazon Prime Video and it has a rating of 8.4 on IMDb. Made in Heaven. Made in Heaven is an Indian drama series released on Amazon Prime. It revolves around the lives of two wedding planners. It has an ensemble cast of Sopti Dhulipala, Jim Sarab, Arjun Mathur, Kalki Kekla and many more with a rating of 8.3 on IMDb. Samantar. This mini Marathi web series is available on MX Player and it has a rating of 8.3 on IMDb. Criminal Justice. This web series is available on Hotstar and it is rated as 8.1 on IMDb. This series stars Vikrant Massey, Jackie Shroff, Pankaj Tripathi and many more. The Forgotten Army, Azadi Ke Liye. Amazon Prime's war drama The Forgotten Army depicts the journey and sacrifice of INA. It has a rating of 8.1 on IMDb. Bhaukal. This action-packed crime thriller is inspired from the life of real-life IPS officer Navneet Sekera. This series is available on MX Player and has IMDb rating of 8 and it portrays the story of a police officer who wants to eradicate crime from the city. Inside Edge. This web series has 2 seasons and it is available on Amazon Prime Video. It has a rating of 8 on IMDb. Jam Tera Sabka Number Aayega. This crime drama web series is available on Netflix and it has a rating of 7.5 on IMDb. She. Indian crime drama series She is available on Netflix and it has a rating of 6.6 on IMDb. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.